Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the HOROW Smart Toilet. This toilet knows when you move. It senses motion, and the lid will go up, ready for you when you want to sit down. And there's this remote that you can use for all kinds of features and functions. To be explained later in this video. I did a full bathroom remodel. It was time. Look at these old cabinets. They looked horrible. And I had this old toilet as well. I wanted to spruce up this very small bathroom. It's got a very small footprint.
So I tore out the cabinet. Step one, that old cabinet was from 1972. I got it all out of the bathroom. Left over was the toilet. That had to go next. I put in the new cabinet with a new sink. That plumbing was taken care of.
I'm really liking how my remodeling is coming out. I love this great cabinet. But what I do not like is this toilet. And the reason is it is so low. I have to crouch to get down. And as I get older, it's harder to crouch to get down. So I need a higher toilet. As I'm getting a little older, I want it to be more convenient for me to get up and down a toilet and all my guests. I really wanted an ADA compliant toilet because they're higher up, much more comfortable to get up and down on. And when I got this toilet, I went for one with a small tank. It's less water to take per flush, but the problem is it is not reliable to get the flush down. So I have to take this out a lot. Don't like doing that. And now with my new cabinet installed and my new HOROW toilet, I have the small bathroom looking fantastic, which is what it really needed.
Now check out how great my bathroom looks with my new HOROW toilet. This is an ADA compliant height of a toilet. It is a full 17.3 inches for easy sitting and standing. It's designed for seniors, veterans, and anyone planning to age in place. And personally, I think everybody can appreciate a little higher of a toilet.
And it's great for me to upgrade to an ADA size. That means there's less effort for me to get up and down to this ADA compliant toilet. So it's easier to stand up and easier to sit down. So with every year going forward, even with my aging hips, this toilet is easier for me and my friends to use. The HOROW Smart Toilet is a toilet that everybody can appreciate. Doesn't everybody want a smart toilet?
And I sent my niece in to check it out. She was thrilled. She checked out the features, loved the way the seat went up and down. She used the motion detector for that and had a great experience on this HOROW toilet. She had no idea it was an ADA compliant toilet because it doesn't look like one. It doesn't look like it's something for a handicapped person or an elderly person. It is a sleek, beautiful design with that height. She gave it a good thumbs up. And then I had one of my sons use it, and I wanted him to use it in the dark. So when he walked up to it, he gave me the report. It automatically opened even in the dark, and then just with a tap of his toe, the seat went up. So even in the dark with the glowing bowl, my son and other guests are able to aim, shoot, and fire even in the dark. You don't even need to turn the bathroom light on in the middle of the night. It has a beautiful ambient glow. So in this case, this is a guy using it. But even for a lady, she wants to know where she's going in the dark. And that nightlight feature it has really makes a difference. You can see where you're going. Haha.
I'm going to show you all these features. Within this video, there's also an installation at the very end. Besides the motion detector, there's also a sensor at the bottom where when you tap your foot, so when you walk in front of it, the seat will go up. And if you're a guy, you tap it with your foot and this seat will go up. Isn't that brilliant? What a smart toilet. And to bring the seat down when you're done, you press it once and it'll go down. With the lid too. And then goes the flush.
The flush used in this mode is a small flush and it only takes 1 gallon of water. If you remain seated for more than 2 minutes, the flush automatically becomes the full flush for the toilet. That helps you save water, and you can say goodbye to clogs and frequent cleaning with this powerful flush that gets the job done in one go. And the flush happens after the seat's going down. And the reason for that is it's anti-aerosol. It's working with an auto close and open lid to prevent spray during those flushes. It's an anti-splash toilet, so no matter how stubborn the drop is, no backsplash will get on you or the seat. It's made for anti-splash. There's a foam shield on the water surface. The foam shield on the T38P is a self-cleaning foam and also a dedicated foam layer that the unit dispenses into the bowl and covers the water surface before and when you use the toilet. This foam shield acts like a barrier. It helps reduce splashes and it limits germs from being airborne. It also keeps the bowl wall cleaner by preventing waste from sticking to it. It also helps odor control by sealing the surface. It's also made for anti-odor. It seals in the smell and bacteria so the bathroom stays fresh. No more poo-pourri needed to pre-spray with the toilet. It does that automatically with the cleaning fluid that's in there. It has an auto deodorization that's going to keep the air fresh every time you use it. It has much better hygiene compared to the old traditional bidet seat. This one's cleaning features are much better. It also has automatic lid opening and closing and ultraviolet sterilization. And also, it has an automatic deodorizer too. And on the remote, there's so many features of how you can use it. One is to direct the flow of water for a feminine wash or a posterior wash, front or back. And there's buttons to control the water temperature, the air temperature, and the seat temperature from cold, medium, or warmer. Just by pressing the button a couple times, you'll have a color to indicate if it's cool, medium, or warmer. You can also adjust the nozzle position on the remote. As well, you can adjust the water pressure just by pressing it one way or the other, just by pressing the plus or the minus for the water pressure. For a paperless dry, and as well adjust the air temperature. And to stop the bidet from any of the functions, just press stop when you're done using the bidet. They also have the HC massage, which will cycle the water between hot and cold, and the nozzle will change the positions of the water for a very hygienic rinse. There's also a nightlight feature, so you can find the toilet if the room is dark in the middle of the night. And every so often, it's recommended to use the nozzle clean function that will jet out the nozzle so you can clean that manually. The remote uses 2 AAA batteries that go into the back. And if you have inconsistent water pressure, this built-in tank solves that for you. It's designed to deliver dependable, powerful flushes every time, even with homes that have low water pressure. As the user sits on the toilet, it will pre-wet the bowl before each use. That's to make sure everything is going to go down the toilet smoothly with that pre-wet. It's a simple touch that keeps your flushes more effective and your bathroom cleaner with less effort. And the pre-wet happens from the top of the toilet as the water is shot out through the top side of the toilet. This technology will keep your toilet bowl cleaner longer without you having to do maintenance and cleaning it as often as with older toilets. Here's a close-up of the nozzle that can adjust for a feminine or posterior wash. And I know it's day here, but there is that night light behind, so you can see what's going on at night. To retract it, it's done with the stop button on the remote that I showed you previously. I put some plastic film on the bidet and I want to show you how strong and powerful the nozzle is as it sprays water. And here's a view from inside the toilet of that powerful nozzle coming up to spray onto the plastic. The Research and Development Department of HOROW has created an amazingly efficient bidet as part of the feature of this toilet. The spray wand itself is self-cleaning. It will clean before each use and after each use. That means even the wand itself is hygienic. This is model number T38P. Brings hygiene to the next level. And here is what that HC massage looks like as we see the water flow going back and forth for an ultimate hygienic cleaning like never before. And we can see the plastic fogging up because this was an example using very warm water, like a user may desire. And after you use the bidet and flush the toilet, this is how the dryer feature goes on. The vent will open and warm air will come out for as long as you want to dry. And the air can be at the temperature you choose, cold, warm, or warmer. To turn it off, you press stop on your remote.
and we tested the fan speed of the air drying with an anemometer. It was about 6 to 7 miles an hour, which is a very comfortable wind speed for drying. And after each use, there is a UV sterilization feature as well. The toilet will automatically activate a 3-minute UV sterilization cycle on top of all the other hygiene features. And I love the immersive art light feature at the back of the toilet. It will cycle through many different colors. It'll go through spring verdant green, summer sky blue, and autumn sunset orange, as well as winter snow white. You can choose your favorite or have it go off like a disco party. Your own personal light show. How advanced in technology that HOROW has brought to the smart toilet model T38P. The HOROW toilet has an elongated seat with different levels of a seat temperature you can choose. I'm using a simple thermometer you would use on your skin, and I'm showing you the readings I'm getting. There's a full range of them, from cooler to warmer, whatever your preference, all the way up to a warm 103.3 degrees. And on top of the toilet is a display that is the indicator for you to see what you've set for those different temperatures. Like here, we see the water drop, so the bidet water has been chosen to be 102 degrees. And here's a seat temperature set at 98 degrees. And as you change the temperatures, it does it instantly. Here we can see on the display the temperature rising. The dynamic LED display is easy to use as you're using your remote to set your toilet to all those different settings as you like. Click the link below to get your HOROW Smart Toilet ADA compliant. They also have other models as well, in case you don't need those extra few inches like I do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a recipe we use on a daily basis. And isn't it great? With a smart toilet for all the fun it adds. If you like this video, here's more over there, including another HOROW toilet I reviewed. It's a shorter one. Just click.